Hey everybody, we'll be getting some requests on how do we add this month in real estate to our agent sites. This is a video that's updated on a monthly basis that adds some great content to your site. So I've actually found the HTML code that we can use to make sure that updates automatically for you, and I'm going to show you how you can put that into your agent site. So the first thing we'll need to do is a little housekeeping. Okay, I need you all to go to this URL. This URL is a link to my Google Drive so that you can actually copy the HTML code. Okay, so write this down real quick. You don't even need the HTTP. You can just put in mtech.2.vu/TMIRE for this month in real estate. So once you have that, just have that up on another screen. We're going to copy that code when we get to that section while we're building the actual site page. So just that you have that available so you can just play along. Okay, perfect. Excellent. All right, so let's dive right in and let's make sure we're logged into Command. So I'm actually going to use another agent site here. Thank you, Michelle, to show you how to add that onto her site. So we are going to go into the consumer applet down here on the bottom. And then once we're here in the top right-hand corner, we're going to go to create a new site. And this particular one's going to be on our agent site. So we'll select the top one and then click create page. And I always like to start right up here with renaming it. So we're just going to name it simply this month in real estate. And we need to bring over just one widget over here on the right-hand side. We're just going to grab this company profile widget, drag that over and drop it. And you'll see it's defaulted just to the basic template. What we actually need to do now is we have to go in and configure the widget. So we're going to go to the bottom left of the, right of the screen. I always get my lefts and rights messed up. That's not good. Click configure widget. And then up here to company profile. Great. So we have a couple of fields here that we're going to enter some text into, or perhaps even take them out just to make the page format correctly. So the first thing we have here is the headline, and that's right here where it says about Royal Realtors. That's what's going to get replaced. And just keep it simple. So we can just put in this month in real estate. Cool. The intro text box, this is where we're going to paste that code, right? So you want to highlight all the text that's in there. And just to be careful, we're just going to delete what's there. And then we're going to go to our this month in real estate code, which I gave you, which you should all have up on your screen. And we're just going to copy this code portion. So starting with iframe and ending with iframe. And we're going to hit copy. And then go back into Command. And then in this intro text box, this is where we're going to paste it. So we can hit paste. Perfect. Once that's in there, now we can keep moving down the list here. The header image, that's all these houses that are here. You can replace it if you want to for today's lesson. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. The section 1 heading, we can actually just take it right out, just delete it. The section 1 text, we can delete this out, but it needs to have something in there. It's a requirement. So I'm just going to hit the space bar once and just put a space in. That's all we need. Section 1 image, we're going to hit the little delete bucket right here on the right. Take that out. And then we're going to do the same for section 2. Take out the header, delete. Section 2 text, we're just going to delete. It's not required, so we don't have to worry about that. Section 2 image, hit delete. Footer heading, take that out. And take out the footer text. There we go. And once we're done, we're going to hit save and apply. And that's it. We now have our video that's in there. All we have to do is hit save changes. And yes, we want to publish it. Perfect. And that should kick us back out to the dashboard. Excellent. So now you can see I have this month in real estate that's here, but it's grayed out for the view. We actually need to attach it to our agent site, right? So we'll hit Site and App Settings here at the top. We're going to go over to the far right tab here for Site Pages. And then we can simply hit Add a Page. And it's going to say, which one do we want to add? Well, we just created this one. We can click this right here, this month in real estate. Hit Continue. Then the page title, like I said before, just keep it simple. Now remember, the page title is what's going to show in the drop-down menu, right? So this month in real estate. And then the slug is what shows after the URL, so your website / and then there's some text. So for this, we can just put this month in real estate. And it's all one word, all lowercase. There we go, perfect. And then for the SEO description, I just like to put learn more about this month in real estate and the team at Keller Williams Realty. And for my market center, it is Boston Northwest. That's the same for Michelle as well. And there we go. Now we just have to hit Save Changes in the bottom left. Settings were updated successfully. Fantastic. And we can go back out to Agent Sites. And then I'm just going to click here on the URL to bring me to her site. And then we should see that in the drop-down menu. There we go, Boston West, bring the menu down. There we go, this month in real estate right at the bottom. Let's click that and it should launch automatically. Cool.
Welcome to This Month in Real Estate for April 2020. Perfect. Here are just a few of the national real estate numbers we're tracking for you right now. According to the National Association of Realtors, the number of projected home sales rose to 5.8 million, and the national median home price for existing homes increased to $270,100. That's up 1.5% from last month and up 8% from this same time last year. If you're looking to sell, now might be a good time to enter the market. Finally, according to Freddie Mac, the national average for a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is up from last month to 3.5%. To learn more about how these numbers affect you, contact your local real estate professional today.
Okay, and there you go. That's the This Month in Real Estate. That will update for you automatically. So as soon as the new release comes out, you'll have the new one right on your website. Hope you enjoyed that. If there are any other questions you might have, feel free to reach out to me at mikemcp@kw.com. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we'll be posting this video, and also follow me on KW Connect. Thank you, and have a good afternoon.